Access Control System series of tutorials.
Preparations. Face machine is used as the card reader. We can output D0, D1, GND which is connected to the card reader terminal of the access controller. The terminal sequence may change due to different equipment batches. Please read the wiring label before wiring. Step 1. Activate the menu by touching the dot at the bottom of the screen, and click the device state. Here, you can view the device IP, identification method, screen brightness. Step 2. Click the device settings in the menu to enter the system settings, default password 61. In general settings, you can set the screen display information, volume, fill light settings, prompt sound selection, etc. In face recognition settings, recognition mode and temperature detection can be set. In access control settings, we must choose Weekend 3-4. In personnel management, you can add, delete, modify and inquire. In general, personnel management is operated in this software. In network settings, you can choose Ethernet or Wi-Fi recommended to set the same network segment as the management software. Step 3. Add a face machine in BS software. Note serial number is required. Model and IP must be filled in correctly. In this video the model selection, face recognition KF. In the previous step, we already know how to check the IP of the facial machine. Step 4. Add an access controller in BS software. Make sure that the serial number, model and IP of the controller are filled in correctly. Step 5. Set permissions. Persons have all access permissions by default. In this case, you can use the default permissions. Skip. Step 6. Add a personnel. User ID, name and card number are required and cannot be repeated. Step 7. Set up photos. Select a person and click on the photo icon. Step 8. Download the personnel to the face machine and the access controller respectively. Swipe test. The door can be opened when the temperature is normal and the software generates a swipe event. If the temperature is abnormal, there will be a red rejection prompt on the face machine. The door is not opened and there is no event information.